Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today we are going to be working on one of the kits I got recently from BeeBeeCraft. So yeah, this kit comes with everything you need to get started really. So I will of course pop links so that you can go back and look at the full unboxing. So this is a kit of shrink plastic, something that you may have known as perhaps Shrinky Dinks. That's certainly how I knew them when I was younger. They also go by Shrinkles, but we've certainly got plenty to look at today to have a little go and see how this particular kit works out for us. So we're going to start off with one of the pre-printed sheets here and pop a piece of plain paper underneath it. That makes it much easier to see what you're doing. Now you want to be colouring on the rough side of this. There are two sides to the plastic and you just want to colour on the rough side. And now you can just enjoy this like you would any other colouring page. You can still blend colours, you can still use shading, but the thing to remember, of course, is that all of the colours will become more intense when they are shrunk. I will say, don't get too attached to this strawberry. Yeah, you'll see, you'll see. Once you've finished all the colouring, you just need to cut them out. For this, you will need some small sharp scissors. The shrink plastic is quite brittle, so go slowly and take your time. The next step is to punch a hole if you're going to use one. If you're making a key ring or a phone charm, if you're making pin badges, you won't need to do this step, but the kit comes with a punch just the same as it comes with the scissors, so you don't have to worry about having one on hand already. Now there's two options when it comes to shrinking the plastic. I opted to use my heat gun. Here you can see I'm protecting my work surface with a metal tray. The heat gun, however, does produce a draft which blows the tiny pieces of plastic around, so you will need to use the tweezers from the kit to keep your piece in more or less one place. The alternative is to pop them on a baking sheet in the oven. Remember how I said not to get too attached to that strawberry? Yeah, well, unfortunately that strawberry got a little bit too close to my heat gun and ended up with a big melty spot in the middle of her face. Poor thing. Tried to salvage her, but it really wasn't possible. The others, however, went quite well and were ready for their findings and fixtures to turn them into actually useful items. Findings all come with the kit, so you've got keyring charms, split rings, phone charms, etc. But I would recommend a couple of pairs of small pliers just to help you to open the rings and slide on all of the additional pieces. I think they all turned out super cute for a first go with this kit, and I'm definitely going to be making more. I think they will turn out flatter if I do them in the oven, so I'm going to try that next time. Don't forget that I have a 10% off code for all products on the BeeBeeCraft website. It is witch10. That will get you 10% off your entire order, so please do pop on over there and check them out. If you're not a fan of shrink plastic, I'm sure there'll be something else there that will suit your crafty needs. I just want to finish up by saying a big thanks to my generous patrons. In the inner circle, Katerina; in the outer circle, John, Dylan, Dee from Maisie's Madhouse, Shaz at Pencil Surprises, Roxy the Dotty Crafter, and my newest supporter, Melanie. You too can support the channel over on Patreon if you wish, but if not, you can always help us out by liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven over on Facebook. And until next time, stay crafty!